how to fix your PS4 no video signal on TV in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply check the basic. Make sure that your TV is on and set to the correct input, and you want to also check the TV is working with another device. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your HDMI cable, check both ends of the cable for damage, and make sure that it is a high-speed HDMI cable. You can also try a different HDMI port, or even check the input source itself and try changing it. If that is not working, you can simply go ahead and try restarting your PS4, or if none of it works, simply check your system software for updates. If there are any kind of updates, simply update it on time. If none of it is working, you want to simply go ahead and check for hardware issues, or try contacting support at support.playstation.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.